In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this start math question easily. Alright, so let's look at the question and see how we can go about it. So you see the solution, we have this first equation to be this, second equation to be this. We ask the solution to the given system of equations is we have x and y in bracket. What is the value of x? Now guys, for this particular system of equations, if you want to solve it with a simple addition of the 34 plus linear calculator, it's not that very clear. Alright, especially if you just starting out with the calculator or you don't yet understand most of the features, so it will take you longer time to be able to figure it out. But this question, the manual method is easier. We're going to solve it manually in this video, but if you're using the 34 plus CE edition calculator, that's the latest one, I have a video on how to use that. The CE edition to solve systems of equation is very easy there and faster there. So check the video in this my channel, watch it and be glad you did. But for this particular video I'm recording, the CE edition will not use it to practice. We'll solve this question manually and is very easy manual. I will show you. Let's solve it together. Okay, so for this question, let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. Okay, now firstly let's take this negative 3x to this place. Alright, I change to positive value. That I change 3x. We have 3x plus y equals 0. We have 4x plus y equals 15. So right now let's use elimination method to get the value of x. 3x minus 4x, we're going to have minus x. Y minus y is 0, so equals 0 minus 15. We have minus 15. Divide both sides by the coefficient of minus x, which is negative 1. Follow me guys. So our x equals what? 15. Okay, now we have the value of x. Let's get the value of y using this output for x. Let's plug in the value of x in this equation we have here. So it will be 3x will now be 3 times 15, that's we have 45. Okay, plus y equals 0. So to make y solve the formula, this 45 equals over the equality sign change to negative. So our y will be minus 45. So when x is 15, y is minus 45. Let's verify these output values we got with the equations we have here. So when you plug in the value of x here in this equation, you're going to have 3 times 15, that's 45, and the value of y is negative 45. So it will be 45 minus 45, you have 0. So this is correct. Then let's experiment this equation below. So the value of x 15, so 4 times 15 will give you 60, and the value of y negative 45. So 60 minus 45 will give you 15. So x being 15 and y being minus 45, the two values are correct for this question. So the right answer to this question is option C, x is 15. So guys, this is basically I can deal with problems like this, systems of equation. You just use the elimination method, which is very fast, and you'll be glad you did. So there's no need punching this on this calculator, because for this edition is not the solution is not there straightforward. Alright, so it takes somebody that has mastered civil edition to be able to compute this. Alright, so but if you're using the CE edition of this calculator, is easier there and clear. So what that my video on the systems of equation with the CE edition of the 34 plus calculator, I'm glad you did. So let's go to the video guys. Hope you learned something interesting. If you are new to this channel, you should subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also, you share a part of the gym membership by clicking the join button. You're getting premium information how to solve other math questions to begin with. Alright, so I'm known this click. Let's see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.